Thank you, Professor, from TU Delft University. I have just gone through your exhibition, and this is a novel way of creating electricity from the human waste. But could you throw some light so that we can understand it in a simplified manner, sir?
We are power plant engineers. What we want to do is, from any fuel, produce as much as electricity as possible, so that the cost of electricity comes down. So for that, we need efficient technology. And we realize that sanitation systems provide biomass sources for such power plants in future. So you can actually bring in the technology from power plant engineering to sanitation systems. So here, human fecal matter is considered as a fuel in a centralized power plant where the fecal matter is processed using an extremely efficient technological concept integrating microwave-assisted plasma gasification and solid oxide fuel cells. Plasma gasification helps with handling difficult to gasify biomasses, and solid oxide fuel cells help to achieve extremely high efficiency at very small power levels. And moreover, such systems can be scaled up or down. We can have large-scale systems, and hopefully in future we can also have smaller scale systems.
All right. So, do you find that this will be useful for metropolis and the megalopolis cities where the huge quantity of human waste is a problem, and they are into the old scientific sewage cleaning system which occupies a large and a huge space.
Indeed.
And how could you can compare the two with the less space or less cost or whatever you can?
Yeah, but I think the same technology can be used in different ways. If you downsize the system, then you can actually use for decentralized processing of human waste, and that means closer to the locations where they are produced. But for some reason, if the urban planners are deciding to go for centralized sewer systems and then large-scale plants, then the same technology can again be used because it's primarily developed for large-scale power plants. But the beauty, especially with solid oxide fuel cells, is that you can downsize it. The efficiency is very high even at smaller power levels. And so we can either provide systems for local processing of the waste, or we can help, if required, with centralized processing.
Now, if it can be matched with the effluent treatment plant, so
yes.
Could it produce the optimum results?
Yes, of course. We have a very similar project in which actually won the award for the best engineering project submitted by a company in Holland from any branch of engineering, in which we were looking at production of ammonia from wastewater treatment, also biogas from wastewater treatment, and putting it together to the solid oxide fuel cell. But if you have a fuel cell with such a plant here, we can also add those fuel streams, and in future we can think of all the waste streams processed in such a plant.
Thank you, Professor.